Validate with RajISG. Check content credentials in your browser. Welcome to RajISG Validate, a quiet inspector for photos, videos, and PDFs. You're not sending files to our servers for storage. The check runs right here in your browser. Drop something you received, or tap a sample. We'll use this signed puppy image to show how it works. Once you choose a file, we look inside for a digital seal, the same idea as a tamper label on packaged news. It only takes a few seconds. Here's the plain answer first. Trusted. That means the content credentials are valid, and the signing certificate sits on the official C2PA trust list. You don't need to be a technician to get the headline. It's right at the top. Trusted is not the same as made by a camera. Disclosure is where the signer tells you, in everyday words, how the media was made. For this file, they declared it was created using AI, and that declaration travels with the image. Think of the next section as your receipt. The QR code and reference number let anyone reopen this same label later. Useful when you publish, file a grievance, or handproof to an editor. The provenance tree is the paper trail. One glance shows the file's story, who signed it, when, and what the credentials claim about its origin. Drag to pan, scroll to zoom, tap a node when you want to go deeper. Select any step in the tree, and the panel on the right opens the manifest, signer, certificate authority, timestamp, and file hash, laid out for humans first. This is where who sealed it becomes concrete. The digital nutrition label is your shareable ingredients panel. Preview it, download it, or pass it along so others can verify without repeating the whole walkthrough. It's the friendly face of the same trust underneath. Almost everyone can stop here. Advanced is for auditors, integrators, and curious experts. The full technical report and raw credential JSON. When you need evidence, not just reassurance. Open Validate anytime at contautauthenticity.rajisg.com and tap tutorial on the page if you want this guide live beside the real UI. contautauthenticity.rajisg.com/validate. Tap tutorial on the page for a live walkthrough.